on, Tesla Nation? This is Michael coming back with another edition of Tea for Tesla. Hey, back in the kitchen today. Today my mom, she made one of her, she dropped by her famous, you know, at least my family, famous chicken wing recipe, Asian style. It's a very simple recipe. I have it right here. So it's just, you know, your basic, you know, teriyaki sauce, or a very light teriyaki sauce, or if you don't have teriyaki sauce, you can use soy sauce with some sugar in it, okay? And then my mom, she also had some, you know, garlic and some, you know, other ingredients in there too. You can mix it up, but the basic ingredients is teriyaki sauce or soy sauce with some sugar in it, okay? And it's to taste, okay? So you gotta experiment with that. When I do get the exact recipe, I'll let you guys know, okay? That's why it's a family recipe. She even kept it from me. I don't know exactly what's in it, okay? But all I know, it tastes really good. But the reason why I'm doing this video is I'm gonna cook these awesome chicken, okay? I'm gonna cook these awesome chicken in the air fryer. Love this sucker. I got it on Amazon. I mean, I bought it and have no regret. We've been using it a lot and using it in conjunction with our solar. So, you know, we've been switching to cooking more with electricity versus gas. So we're still continuing on that trend, okay? So we're gonna cook wings today, okay? Now, today's a little bit cloudy, so the battery didn't charge up fully, okay? Charge up about, what, 60% or so, okay? So the battery's not fully charged, but here's the thing. 60%, I can still use that and still run everything at night, okay? So it's in the evening right now. So I'm cooking a little kind of late right now, but, you know, just to show you that, hey, you can still do it. And the good news is that I'm still tied into to the grid, and I've been producing more battery than, more electricity than what I can use. So I've been, I've been adding up credits, or I've been receiving credits from the utility company. So right now I have a credit on electricity. So hey, even if I use later tonight, you know, the batteries drain and we're having to tap into the grid, I still got a credit. So basically I'm not going to be using electricity, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start this here. So we'll put this on pause, okay? Just going to add some wings in here. Good. You hear that sizzling? Get some wings. I got some chicken strips too. So, and we've been cooking this a lot, using the air fryer a lot. It's been working out great. Like I said, we're switching over to using more and more electricity rather than using gas or anything else. I mean, gas is not that expensive, but remember what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to maximize usage of, you know, my solar and battery. I mean, why not? I paid for it, you know. I paid for the darn thing, so might as well use it, you know. So we're gonna cook some wings here. All right. So put this back. Let me do this. So we got some wings going in here. So with the air fryer, I have for cooking the wings, I have it at 360. Okay. So I'm putting it at 360. We're cooking about relatively anywhere between, you know, 18 to 20 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna turn it back on, 18 to 20 minutes, okay? So it's gonna go on, I'll put it for like, let's go 22 minutes, and you check it. And every so often you wanna switch it and switch it and switch side, you know, pause the machine and then switch side to get the nice crispy all around, okay? So we did a batch already. We actually did multiple batch already. And it came out great. Family loved it. And here, check this out. What did you notice I didn't do when we normally cook? What I didn't do? I didn't put any oil in there. Okay? Not a drop of oil. Okay? It's just the wings right with the sauce on there. That is it. Not a drop, okay? Not a drop of oil on there, okay? So once again, I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Just got a little stuff to set. It's roughly about 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna pause it, 9 minutes. So I'm gonna do the first flip, okay? Woo, I wish you guys can see this. Look at this, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. You can't see it. Don't worry, I'll let you guys see it in a second, okay? I mean, in a few minutes, okay? So I'm gonna do the first flip. Do the first flip here. And I'm gonna bring the camera, in closer, okay? So I'm gonna do the first flip here. Flip. Okay. Flip. All right, got the first flip going. Let me go and detach the camera, and I'm gonna bring it closer in for you guys. Check this out, people. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! I'm gonna get a little light here for you guys. Look at that. Okay? Well, afterward, I am going to, I promise you, I am going to bring you guys a real picture of that. Okay, so let me set this back. I'm gonna get going. So, okay, so you saw a little glimpse of that. I'm gonna put it back, get going. Since it's been off for a little bit, so it got reset. So I'm gonna go back for 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, we'll keep on for another 10 minutes, and then we'll see. Okay. Smells awesome. Like I said, any of you guys out there who are inventors or electricians or, you know, people in the technology business, please invent smell-o-vision. Dang, it smells good. I can smell right now. Garlicky smell, sweet, with a little hint of, you know, soy and all that. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful. I'll see you in a bit. Look at this guy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Beautiful. Once again, air fryer didn't fail me. Air fryer didn't fail me. Okay? Check this out. I know we're eating wings. There's some oil on here, okay? But look at most oil drip at the bottom. That's so great about this air fryer is it drip to the bottom. I did not use 1 ounce of oil to prep this. It was all natural oil from the chicken, but most of the oil dripped down. And look at it, didn't stick anything. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is, okay? So let's see how it tastes, okay? Let's see how it tastes. Now, normal, I'm eating with a fork and knife, okay? All right? Normally, I'll use my hands for the drumstick, but hey, I'm not medieval and it's kind of freaking hot right now, okay? So, I'm gonna eat with forks and knives. Don't be laughing at me, okay? I know wings you're supposed to eat with fingers, okay? But it's freaking hot, okay? So let's try. Look at that. Cook all the way through. And it's steaming too, okay? So let's try how it tastes, okay? Hot, oh! Hot, man. Mmm. Chicken's juicy. That's a chicken strip. Normally with chicken strip, excuse me, I shouldn't talk with my mouth full of food there. I apologize for that. Okay, I'm done. So normally with, you know, chicken strips and stuff like that, when you cook, right, the chicken strip gets really, really dry. Okay, but when you cook with the air fryer, right? It cooks really high heat, so it crisps the outside, right? So the inside still stay moist, okay? So that was the chicken strip. Now, let's go for the wings here. Look at that. Look at this, people. Oh my goodness. Look at this. See the steam? See the steam coming out? And still juicy. Mmm. Okay, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna use my fingers. It's hot, but we'll take it for the team. Mmm. That's good. Very good. Dang it, once again. Talk my mouth. I apologize again. Okay, I'm done. Very juicy. Awesome. Juicy. Okay? Crispy on the outside. So the question is, you know, people have these air fryer, right? Does it, you know, keep it, crispy and stuff like that, juicy? Yes, it does. It's crispy. I mean, I'm taking a bite and it's crispy on the outside and juicy inside. And I didn't do any cover, batter or anything like that. But check this out. My wife and I experimented, right? We did do one with I don't know what my wife put on. It's like a coating, right? To make it crunchy and stuff. And it was crunchy too. Okay, so if you want to do like, fried chicken or something like that. Almost said KFC, but they don't cook it like this. But anyway, so, you know, if you want to cook it with the batter and stuff, we did it, you know. I mean, you're not going to get the exact taste. If you want the exact taste of fried chicken, go to a fried chicken place and get it. But if you want to use electricity, you know, first of all, electricity that you generated from the sun that's stored in your battery and use it at night to cook. And then on top of that, you cook with very minimum oil and be very healthy. I mean, it's kind of like your cake and eat it too, all right? I want to eat healthy. I don't want to use the gas anymore, all right? I mean, this is like have your cake and eat it too scenario here, right? I cook without oil and I cook with electricity. What can you ask for more? And it's so good, okay? So let's try the drumstick here. Look at this. Woo! All right, Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, people. All right. Missing out. Really missing out. Wish you were here, but missing out. Okay? Very good. It is hot though. Dang. So, guys, it's another edition of Cooking with Electricity with T for Tesla. Okay? Thank you for coming by and watching this video. If you, I'm gonna get the recipe from my mom. Okay? So hopefully she'll give us the true recipe and she won't hide any of that secret. But and then I will put in the description. So look in the description. So I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna try to ask her to give us a recipe. Okay? So I'll put it in the description. All right, and you can cook with air fry, or you don't have to. I mean, you can cook it other ways too, but I mean, the purpose of this video is to show you that you can cook. I mean, how great this air fryer thing is, and it has helped us switch on over, okay? Normally, if I didn't have the air fryer, I would cook in the oven, you know, but it's kind of silly to cook, you know, just a few wings, a big old oven and stuff. With the air fryer, boom, it kicks in, it gets really hot really quick, okay? So once again, thank you for joining me here. You know, I love doing these videos for you guys, show what the possibilities are. You know, if you guys have any comments or anything, any other item you want me to try out with this air fryer and cooking and with electricity and stuff like that, let me know, okay? So I did potatoes, now I did wings, all right? Next step is I'm gonna try cook like a brownie or a cake in here. somebody threw that at me. So I'm gonna try, okay? So when I do have the video, I'll post it up. But anyway, thanks for coming by and watching, okay? Once again, in Elon we trust. Peace out. See ya.